this is the second video, and we are doing try
Oh,
not
keep
to
going.
laugh challenge. Give him the cube. Hand him the cube. Chalo. So, yeah, this is try not to laugh challenge. We just did jump scares.
Laranja, acerola e mel. Uma doçura.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Your worst nightmare. Nice.
Have you ever had a dream that you had you could do so you want him to do you so much you could do anything?
Kylie Jenner to the foyer. I have a little surprise for you. Is that a chicken?
Gee!
Did she call it a chicken?
Yes! I got 2 free tacos! Wow.
Shut up.
What a sweet
Round, round. Yes, sir.
Daddy? Do I look?
What would you do if there was a child right in front of you?
Hello, sir. Good news. The surgery was a complete success, and everything went amazing. We successfully did surgery on a grape.
That is
Number one for the Los Angeles traffic today is 9-year-old Tommy Douglas. Tommy has lived most of his life in the hospital after being born with a potato.
this one's
for a
dark.
heart.
This one's dark.
He'll undergo a
Very
heart
dark.
transplant surgery next weekend. He's about as big of a traffic fan as they come, so in partnership with the Grant-A-Wish Foundation, both teams have agreed to come together and have Tommy run the first play of the game. And he got the handoff, and there he goes. Made a little cutback move, and it looks like he's gonna go all the way. Look at him go. Wow. This is really one of those heartwarming moments in sports where you just... Oh!
I'm gonna prank my dad.
I shouldn't be laughing at that one, but then.
From the Manatee County Fair, Linda Carson, ABC7. Would you not eat my pants? Ah!
Make sure to check out my other videos. Give them a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next videos. See you next time!
Okay.
Thanks. Buddy. Hey, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching till the end, and
I'm trying to do daily videos, if you all have noticed. Besides that, I'll be pretty occupied this week, so this might be the last video of the week. And yeah, I have lots of assignments and exams that are, you know, like sitting on top of my head. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. And also don't forget to check out my business page, that is Gentleman Hub. I'll be putting the link to in the description, and also you'll find the link to my channel, that is my Instagram handle, that is Traveler Soul 25, and my Facebook page Adarsh Rumba. So yeah, we can interact. If you have any requests, video requests, I'm willing to do them as well. Alright, until next time, bye.